Good evening, everyone. Gandhiji was of a firm belief that any movement or campaign supported by the student fraternity is a success. He used to preach there is an urgent need to imbibe virtues among ourselves, as education is the best remedy for all types of problems. Today, we are all here for the fifth session of the Streets for Me. On behalf of Team Setu, I wish to welcome our distinguished resource person, participating delegates representing various schools, members of local administration, and all those who have been with us throughout these webinars. It's quite heartening to witness various stakeholders taking such keen interest in the proceedings so far. Today's session is primarily to focus on certain key issues related to Streets for Me. Now I would request our resource person to preside over today's program. The thought-provoking sessions are a feast to behold. Collective efforts channelized in the right direction can move mountains. So not to keep you waiting any longer, I would request our resource person to take over.
Hello, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. So, how was your visit to the site now, and how was your interaction with the stakeholders, different people on site?
Ma'am, it was good. Everyone had different observations and how to feel about different things. Everyone was like kind of having different ideas. If one was having a positive idea for the same thing, other was like, no, this thing is doing that or that. So they were kind of objecting it.
Okay. So, you all have some ideas put together to discuss today, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so then let's just begin with the sequence that we have. The first team, I think, is Gulmohar.
Ma'am, should we begin, Gulmohar? Team Gulmohar?
Yes, please.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. I'm representing Team Gulmohar. The area assigned to us extends from Nag Mandir to Om Sweets. If we move from Mandir to Police Chowki, on our right here is the Mandir gate. There is space in front of the temple wall here. Then these are the three permanent shops. Moving forward, we have government area, which is occupied by various vendors. Next, at this point, we have a bus waiting area, behind which the public toilets are under construction. And again, here we have a fruit vendor. And then this is the entrance gate located on Manpur Road. Now, on the other side of the road, this is the police chowki, followed by public toilets here. And then these are the vendors located. It is also a private property which is under construction. Here is the Continental showroom. We also have two puliyas here, under which the drainage system flows. Moving from this side, we have puliyas planned to be shifted back. Now we will be looking at the design plan. Here the puliya will be shifted back to broaden the street road. Then there is the pedestrian path and the cycle lane on both the sides of the road. Here, this is the entrance to the market where the vendors will be arranged in the U shape, and they will exit from here to the pedestrian path. In front of this area, the erstwhile bus stop area will be converted into a gazebo and the rest of the place for sitting area. Now here, the police chowki will be reconstructed along with a green space around. This place will be utilized for the plantation as well as children's park. And here we'll have an e-rickshaw angular parking, which is required for the people deboarding from the bus. Moving forward, we will have bus by lane, this in the front on the Mandir side road, and here on the other side. This was a design proposal. Next, we'll be looking at the flora and fauna of the place. Tree planting has mind-blowing potential to tackle climate crisis. That's what we observed. Trees are investment, and how well that investment grows depends on several factors, including the type of the tree planted. The climate of the city is humid and subtropical, and the soil type is sandy and rocky. Purpose of roadside plantation is to reduce sound pollution and air pollution, as well as give shade from sun, shelter from rain, shielding winds, and reduce the greenhouse effect. The type of trees that will be planted on roadside will be Gulmohar, Sadabahar, Neem, Palm, Pine, Nerium, and Golden Shah. Then there will be plantation on the road divider, which is to absorb harmful gases released by the vehicles. Trees on divider help in driving at night by cutting the direct light from the vehicles in the opposite lane, and also for the better soil formation by shedding dead leaves. The plants which will be planted are herbs, shrubs, hibiscus, vinca, bougainvillea, ixora, durante, and euphorbia. Thank you.
Team Gulmohar, what I want to understand is, I think you've given a proposal. It's very crisp and very nice. What I don't see is the sense of a contextual sort of a solution, in the sense that yeah, remember, if you have read the brief, there's something about observe. So is that, are you, I know you submitted your story and you submitted who you are targeting, but a little introduction of that over here would help us to understand ki, you know, I know you said that Pulya is there and something's there, but a little image of what it is, maybe you can just show, because I totally cannot get it. And maybe I missed your presentation in the last interaction. So a little brief would be good, so that one can just place ourselves where, what exactly is that space?
Ma'am, I have a sketch. I will try to show this. Ma'am, here in this side we have a pulya, both the pulya under which the drainage flows. And these orange color and green path is for the people cycling as well as the pedestrians. And then the vendors are being organized here in the U shape. And there we have the e-rickshaw parking, as well as we'll have a space here. So we'll be utilizing it for the plantation and a small park type area.
Okay, very nice. I think, I don't know, we are architects, and you seem to have done a much better job, and you've drawn a beautiful plan. I must appreciate. I also, but this is like space organization, right? So you
Yes.
said, I'm a little worried about the cycle and pedestrian. I want you to look up Amsterdam, which has cycling, and I want you to be aware about the fact that any sort of transportation or mobility, if one is not careful about, you need to, it is very dangerous. So suggestion one would be to separate the cycle from your pedestrian.
Ma'am, it is separated, like green area is for the pedestrians and this orange area is for the cycling.
I think some of the space has been shared, so I'm a little, because this has to relate to the overall road, so that's okay. We'll figure this out.
Okay.
Okay, but what I want to understand from you is, how are you looking at this this space? I mean, do you think, what is the visual envisage, मतलब कि आप क्या सोच रहे हैं कि ये this space is going to be I mean really, आपने कहा vendors वहां पे will be standing, vendors मान ले जो ठेले वाले हैं वो वहां पे रुकेंगे. Do you think तो vendors होंगे तो वहां पे seating भी होगी, और आप I'm feeling that this is like a little bit of a plan, which is usually how we make. But I want you to feel for it. I don't know how. I want you to think about it from the point of view, who is that person who's eating, and where are they going to? Maybe if there's a vendor which is selling fruits, or are you saying these are vendors which are giving golgappas? So
Hmm.
so fruit wala hai. So is that what is this space about, or is this space about the eatery wala? Then eatery wala ka dustbin chahiye hoga. And though you've identified, acha, this is the shrub and this is the tree, is there some thought to this tree? You know, do you think I'm thinking कि ये तो ये एक you know, ये गुलमोहर पार्क, तुम्हारा तुम्हारा ग्रुप का नाम भी गुलमोहर है. So अगर तुम you're thinking of this trees being something has to be prominent, and I'm not seeing what is prominent here. What's your trigger?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, Gulmohar tree is one of the most beautiful plants. So we also wanted to beautify the area. That's why we used it. And the most of the vendors are of food stalls. Basically, we have a bus stop there, so people stop there and want to have food. That's why we have created a sitting area over here.
Okay, where have you created the sitting area?
Ma'am, in this area where I'm pointing red.
Yeah.
So here will be sitting areas, since we also have vendors there, and here could be a beautiful sitting area along with the trees for the shade.
Acha. Okay. Okay. And all there'll be. Acha, मेरे को एक चीज बताना.
Yes,
How
ma'am.
many vendors do you think are going to be in your space? Are you seeing कि there'll be 5 vendors, कि there'll be like 1-2 vendors, or you're thinking there'll be 10 vendors?
Ma'am, approx 10 are there.
They're already there.
Yes, ma'am, they're already there. We are reorganizing them since some of them were here on this side and some were scattered over here. So if we organize them, the place will be totally utilized.
Okay. Okay. So have you thought of something that you want to? Are you doing something for the vendors?
Yes, ma'am, we're creating a path over here so people purchasing can be easily do that. And then most of them are food stalls only. So they basically need a dustbin and a sitting area. So that's why we have planned this area for the
नहीं,
sitting place.
वो तो लोग, that is for the people who are going to eat. But what about the vendors? Are you thinking? No. So the idea over here is, uh, you must think about the person who is most vulnerable in your area.
Yes, ma'am. Basically, vendors were used to stand here, and mostly bus used to come also over here. So they used to suffer pollution from them and there. That's why
Okay.
to shift them over here. And since we are dividing it from the road, like this is the pedestrian path, and we will be separating it from the road, so it will be easy for them, and as well as it will also attract many customers over that place.
Okay. So what you are going to do is, I'm assuming you stay in Kashipur and the street is not very far away from you people, somebody from your team.
Yes, ma'am. We are staying in Kashipur only, and
Yeah?
it's yes, ma'am.
So I want you to, before we actually put it out there, and also one wants to hear, how are you going to showcase it? So that also we'll discuss today. So one thing I want all the teams to do is, with the proposal that they have given, they will ask and find out, in fact, to the vendors, कि हम सोच रहे हैं आपको उधर शिफ्ट कर देते हैं, आपको कैसा लगेगा?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, you
Yes,
will
ma'am.
do that little exercise and you can make a recording of it, that हमारा ये plan था, and हम लोगों ने जाके फिर हमने we have shifted the vendor here and we are wanting to do a sitting here. So will you just do this little bit more, one step, maybe tomorrow, go in the evening after school, somebody from your team,
Yes, ma'am.
just
We will do
try and,
that.
yeah, do this little feedback.
Okay, ma'am.
And because it's a very, very well worked out idea. And have you thought about using maybe like that section that we had talked about, artalized? Have you thought about it? What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. Basically, we will be painting this police chalky, like we will be decorating this police chalky, as well as we will be looking for some artistic way to decorate these area and this area, which is the garden. So basically, we will be using the reuse material, especially like tires. We will be making a stand of that, as well as some traffic signs also will be showing that need to be there for the zebra crossing and the parking and the bus stop.
Okay.
Uh-huh,
So, so can you put these ideas into your presentation?
yes, ma'am, surely we can sketch it out.
You can sketch it, you can take some images, how you
Okay.
think, and you can, so we call it making a little bit of a mood board. So
Yes.
could you show
Mm.
pictures of what is and maybe what you are thinking?
Ma'am, I will need some time, then I can surely show it.
Yeah. No, you can put it and you can just because we'll want you to submit this as a proposal. So put on the pictures and certain ideas, because I'm wanting you to. So you said there is this um, definitely your chalky and your vendor. So
Hmm.
thoda sa I want you to identify some of these people
Okay.
and ask them what they really want,
Okay.
and try and see, you can also look at something that they are wanting in terms of facility or just that, and maybe you can think of a creative way of giving it, you know.
Oh,
Also,
yes.
what is the artwork you are thinking? You have to be very careful about the artwork, because this artwork actually is a way of sending a message. So you must tell, I mean, is it just you think coloring it, or you want to say something, or you want to, just brighten up? So this artwork or whatever you're thinking, also that idea needs to be here.
Okay, ma'am. Yes. So basically, we had planned that we will be painting some of the places, and the rest of the places would be required for the lightning, especially this bus stop area will require lightning of that area, and the other part would be like a green area.
Okay. All right.
Yes,
So
and hmm.
so fair enough. But when you say painting, see, we can't see, last time also we said we can't, uh, we have limited resources, right? हमारे
Ye-
पास,
hmm.
हम सोचने के लिए तो बहुत कुछ सोच सकते हैं, but if you are thinking कि मैं कुछ, so we have only limited time. ये हमारा थोड़ा सा limitation है, हमारे पास बहुत ज्यादा time भी नहीं है,
Hmm.
and we do not have that much resources also. So you have to be very careful and identify what is it that you are wanting to, where is it you will use art, and what is it you are going to tell through that art, and how will you put your these ideas in. So I'm going to stop now, and I want Sonal ma'am to come in here.
So, when I look at this, it is a beautiful plan, but in terms of 3D, I'm not getting any idea of that space. Like when ma'am was saying कि वो space कैसी है, उसमें कुछ feel नहीं आ रहा है, कहाँ पे क्या है मुझे समझ नहीं रहा है. Maybe तुम एक basic photo ले लो वहाँ का, और photo के ऊपर ही थोड़ा सा sketching कर दो कि यहाँ पे ये आ रहा है, यहाँ पे ये आ रहा है. तो उससे हमें scales, volumes, like तो होती है, volumes कितना जगह है वहाँ पे, कितनी भीड़ है वहाँ पे, पहले कैसे था अभी कैसा है, तुम presentation में डालो. And also in terms of what you're going to do, like this, we had spoken about two parts last time. One was a presentation and overall sort of idea for the road, which you put across as 4-5 points to the authorities as a team. And then there was a second part of doing something on the site. तो इसमें ना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाइज हाँ बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ है, बट इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिटेलिंग कि वो अगर पॉलिश चौकी है उसके ऊपर कुछ पेंटिंग आ रहा है, वो क्या टाइप का पेंटिंग है, किससे बना रहे हो तुम, क्या मटेरियल है। अभी तुमने टायर्स बोला जब मैम आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रही थी, तो ये आप कैसे रखने वाले हो, ये छोटी चीजें जो है ना उस पर थोड़ा सा फोकस करो कि आप किधर क्या कर रहे हो। मे बी एक दो चीजें ही करो, पर वो कैसे कर रहे हो उसका भी थोड़ा सा आइडिया आना चाहिए।
Okay, ma'am, sure, we will include it in our next presentation.
Yes. And
I think I'm very impressed now, Sunil, with how
yes,
they.
yes, layout and all very beautifully done.
हाँ, तो इसको थोड़ा सा से कंबाइन कर लो। I would request team गुलमोहर and little इसमें थोड़ा premise दे दो, थोड़ा इसके जो solution है उसको थोड़ा सा elaborate कर दो, and उसमें से 2-3 चीजें आपकी highlight सोचो। अगर हमको सेकंड को साइट पे कुछ बनाना है, हम उसको कैसे बनाएंगे। सो वो अभी उसके बारे में भी आप आगे थोड़ा सा सोच लो।
Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the stories have been submitted. Ananya ma'am, I'm sorry I'm asking on the forum, but also I've not had the time to go through it. But has everybody submitted the stories?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you've submitted.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
remember, the stories are something, and the solution. आप जो अब जो second part ये कर रहे हैं in part 2A 2B of it, they something from the stories निकल के आना चाहिए, I hope. तो maybe a picture, आपने जो stories का कुछ final highlight निकाला था, एक image और story का जो सार था ना, the essence or the final things from the story that you wanted to tell, that should come into this presentation in one slide, if possible. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Great.
Okay, team Parijan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, basically what we understood from the last session is that we have to propose the idea that how we are going to artilize on the site, what we for our stakeholders, right? So in our presentation, we actually identified 3 characters, if you remember, the nursery wale uncle, and one customer that we named as Mrs. Sharma, and another was a cart owner. So from their point of view, we thought that what they actually want from that area. So as we have discussed in a presentation that the cart owners there have the problem of the washroom. So as ma'am told कि हमें वो काम करना है कि जो हम कर सकते हैं, वो नहीं कि जो हम सिर्फ आइडिया दे रहे हैं। So आइडिया वाला is सिर्फ कि हम उनको हम सिर्फ प्रपोजल दे सकते हैं। तो प्रपोजल के लिए we have the idea कि हम वहाँ पर एक इको फ्रेंडली टॉयलेट इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, because toilets वहाँ पर पूरी रोड पर there are so many toilets, but there is not even a single toilet that is eco-friendly. And since in our area 2 nurseries lie there, so they could be interconnected. Eco-friendly toilet, we read the concepts about the toilet that can convert the waste into manure. So वो उनके लिए useful होगा. This is our proposal side. Now, how we are going to artilize is that कि firstly, when we went there again, so we found a girl that she was having 8 brothers and sisters and was a homeless child. So she was selling something actually there. So she told us that कि वो वहाँ पर constantly कोई एक चीज sell नहीं करती, sometimes something, one thing she has, another time another thing. So basically she was homeless. So taking her as a stakeholder, how we have conceptualized a project is that for her we are going to create a virtual home through our art. That means it will be a false home, just giving her the feeling of home for some time through our artwork. This was the first project, how we are going to artilize it. Secondly, as I have proposed in the last session, that I want that area, actually हमारे area में एक चौराया lie करता है. So that's the center point of the city. मतलब not exactly a center point, but can be. लाइक वी आर ट्राइंग कि हम उसको एक एंटरटेनमेंट एरिया की तरह ले सकें, बिकॉज वहाँ पर बहुत सारे एरियाज हैं में जो मेन आकर वहाँ पर चौराया है, आप मतलब यू कैन विजुअलाइज कि बहुत सेंटर होगा वो। तो उसके लिए वी आर प्लानिंग, वी आर गोइंग टू पेंट अ गेम ऑन दैट रोड, अ वॉकिंग गेम, जिससे ट्रैफिक भी इफेक्ट नहीं हो। एंड इवनिंग टाइम पर जब ट्रैफिक थोड़ा कम हो जाता है और लेट नाइट वॉक पर जब लोग आए तो वो उसका एज एन एंटरटेनमेंट एरिया लें, और वो हमारा गेम जो है वो दैट विल नॉट ओनली अ गेम, not only be an entertainment but will also provide a message. So these two things we are visualizing for artilizing our concept.
That is a very interesting idea, and both the ideas are really good.
Can we work on both, or just we have to take one?
You can work on both if you can manage to do both with your
Because
team.
there is a divider na, so we are planning कि हम दोनों side दोनों अलग-अलग concepts show करेंगे.
Okay. So अभी like as an idea दोनों बहुत अच्छे हैं, दोनों कर सको तो एकदम best है.
Thank you.
In terms of connection and in terms of layout, organization मुझे आपका अभी तक idea नहीं आया है. Like
Yes.
बाकी teams का वो idea ज़्यादा strong था than the idea of what they're going to do in terms of Artilize. And
Yes,
जब
ma'am.
आप ये चीज भी propose कर रहे हो, आप कहाँ पे कर रहे हो, कहाँ से cross करेंगे लोग आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, वो होमलेस स्टाइल का घर तुम कैसे लोकेट कर रहे हो,
Yes,
तो ये
ma'am.
चीजों पे भी थोड़ा ध्यान दो.
Yes.
And how are you planning to show it? Like you're saying it's a virtual
Ma'am, that home,
so
the
what-
virtual home, actually we are planning, we are going to paint a carpet on the floor, on the road. And we are going to create the roof by using the waste material.
Okay.
Carpet and the roof. That can give a feel like a home to them. A virtual home, but a home. For some time, they can enjoy that happiness.
Yeah.
As ma'am told now that we have to focus, if we can, from the waste material. So we are working on that, how we can use the waste material for that.
Yeah. Very, very interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing what you make there.
Thank you so much.
So next is Team Amaltas. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, the area allotted to us is from Woodland Showroom to Gokul Sweets. And we saw that there are some big shop on the right, with some showrooms on the right side of the road, and on the left side there were some shops of mechanics and some spare parts shops. So, ma'am, I would share my screen.
Yes.
So, as we can see that the vehicles are on the side of the road, due to which people who are walking on the road face problems, as there is not a particular path where they could walk. So there should be some particular space in the front of or on the side of the shops for parking vehicles. We can saw that there was a wide drain in front of shops not covered. Anybody can fall into these. So we should cover these drains. Also, if we cover it, the area will increase for the people to park their vehicles, and we can then easily make a path where people can walk and do cycling or whatever they want. We can make some symbols on path resembling walk with their bicycles or can walk. We can put bench where people can sit. On divider, we can draw some patterns or can plant some trees. As we can see that the people take turn from wherever they want. There should be some proper arrows telling people from where they can take turn, and also there is a need of zebra crossing and traffic light. The major problem that we saw is of garbage. In that area, there is not any dustbin, and it is very important to put dustbin on the roadside. People should throw the biodegradable waste in one dustbin and the non-biodegradable in other, so that we can use it in some other ways like recycle it. So by managing all this, we can make our dream city, which will be full of trees and no garbage and no potholes.
Okay. So Yes, all of these are really good and interesting solutions. But most of these aspects that you're talking about will come into the first segment of what we're doing. In terms of proposals, what can we propose on the site?
Yes, ma'am.
So what would you like to do out of this, or how would you like to take up one or two aspects of this and connect it with your story and show something on the street?
Ma'am, as in our
What?
story, there is a dirty canal, so we can
There is
cover it.
rain.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, we can cover it, but ma'am, there should be some strong material to cover it that we will not be able to manage. So, ma'am, we cannot cover it. So, but only after covering it, we can make a path. So, it is not a good idea. So, we can put some charts on the divider, which will be telling the rules, or we can put some um, arts on the road.
Mhm.
That will help people to move.
Okay. So, but you can do something for the drain. If you cannot cover it, what can you do about it? Can you show people more prominently that it exists over there? Or
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you put some kind of a barricade on one side so that people don't fall into it?
Yes, ma'am. We will put a sign presenting that people should be careful over there, as it is a drain. They could fall in it.
Hmm.
We can create some banners and put them over there.
Hmm.
So it
And
would help people to identify that it
hmm.
is a drain and they have to be careful.
So you all can, I don't know how much did you all hear. I was saying that the idea that you have, that covering the drain, you can still cover it with some material which is not very solid as an indication, but something which is prominent that you cannot walk on it, so that no one actually trips on it. And you can also show your idea of putting cycles there, putting humans there. You can actually draw that out on the drain itself, and then see people's reaction to it. How are people reacting to this? What is their thought of it? Ask your vendors there. Anyone who crosses the street, if they see that whole human size, just a figure which is rested there, which is made maybe out of cardboard, maybe made out of chart paper, and is put over there, understanding to see how are people's reaction to it. Or if there's a cycle, if you want to propose a cycle.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are some ideas that you can look at. We don't have to look at always making something permanent on site. We are just making people think or sharing our ideas with them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, yeah, thank you. Next team is, this was Amalta's, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So team people.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello everyone, we are Team People and today we're going to show you our ideas on the topic. We have divided the entire slide into two parts. We've divided the entire presentation into two parts. The first part for what the authorities can do, basically our proposals, and the second part is for the Gen Z, what we as a group can do to it. Our first and foremost proposal has to be about the construction. They either need to speed up the entire process of construction or give a definite time that construction will happen from this time of the day to this time of the day, because it is very ambiguous. At the same time, there should be a long-term goal that this construction will end by, let's say, June 2022, or some days should be fixed by when people can expect that the road will become free again. Next, the construction goods have to be managed properly, because a lot of the times the raw materials, for example, the cement or the stone or the wood used in it, are just placed anywhere on the road, especially in the middle of the road or towards the side of the road, which blocks the entrance of a lot of shops, which not only affects the shop as no one can enter it easily, neither can people see the shop that it even exists. Other than that, it reduces the area for the pedestrians more, as well as creates a lot of congestion in the street, in the road itself, for the cars and all the vehicles. Next, proper management has to be done. A road will not exist if the authorities are not even looking after it. This photo we took was at such a good time when people were not there, but it doesn't look like this every day. We need to make sure that the dividers are there proper so that no one can just jump over it and like cross the road. Moreover, like there is sand on the road, as you can see. This sand should be removed. It should either be in the confined space of the construction itself rather than blocking the entire road. There should be more trees if possible, but if that's not possible, the road should be a little more cleaner, and the authorities should make sure that people should not park their vehicles in the middle of the road, such as a lot of people do. This point is kind of similar to the other point. It's about making roads better in quality. Right now, construction is going on. So a lot of focus is mainly on construction and how the raw materials are kept, or how the construction is blocking the entire road. But the road itself is in a really bad situation. There's more pits on the road than the road itself. We don't know at this point if it's the road inside the pits or there are pits inside the road. That it's so bad. So the authorities should make sure that as soon as the construction gets over, they make the area cleaner as well as make the roads better, or they can just take up this making the roads better, covering the pits or repairing the pits along with the construction. But the former would be preferred. Next. The gutters need to be cleaned as well as covered. First, cleaning, because blocked gutters, they only mean that, as we said it in our story, blocked gutters mean that water is not being disposed due to rain easily, and it usually gets inside the shops, which affects the business a lot and is not hygienic also. So the gutters need to be cleaned. Moreover, it needs to be covered and leveled. It can't be like one step is higher and other step is lower. It can be if we're using it for pedestrian. It can be if we're using it for pedestrians, but in that case, it cannot be used for cycling. But the main priority for right now for the authorities to execute is to clean the gutters and make sure that they're covered, so that people don't fall into it if there's no lights on the street, which is there are no lights on the street. Next. Next, we need to level the place. The low-lying lands, whenever it rains, it gets logged with water, and it's really bad. Number one, it's unhygienic, and as we can see, there are a lot of dengue cases coming up in Uttar Pradesh, and one of the main reason why it happens is basically due to water. So we need to make sure that the low-lying areas are leveled so that water does not get clogged there. Moreover, the first picture here, I don't know if it's a gutter or if it's a canal or if it's just a low-lying land. When I asked my team members, what exactly is this place? One of the members replied that it is a gutter that enlarged itself into a canal using low-lying land. So we do have no idea. Either way, this place needs to be cleaned. Once this place Once this place is cleaned, leveled, the road will become wider. Now, this place can be used for many reasons, but the main reason would be, in the first place, it will increase the area for number one. If it is used for parking, we can use it for parking, but more recommended use for this area once it is leveled, or if it's a gutter covered, is it can be used to accommodate the street vendors, for example, chaatwala or fresh fruit, the person who sells fresh fruits. It can just enlarge, it can just make the area bigger. And in the second place, it's just for hygiene, just so that people don't fall ill due to dengue. And moreover, a lot of people live at this place, so it would be better if it's just cleaner and better. Next slide. The second part of the presentation is for what we as people, or we as teammates, we as the part of the Generation Z can do. And my fellow team member, Gurnoor, will be taking over this part of the presentation.
Okay, so first we are going to go on the topic, like doing a bit for the vendors. So like we know that there are many orders came for the vendors to remove them from their places, as we have got to know from many of the vendors itself. So like there need to be an area which need to be made for the vendors, so no one removes them from their place. Like a specific area, as we have seen in many places, in many cities, like there's a particular area for the vendors where they all are standing and like no one removes them from their place and no order comes. So it's really safe for the vendors, and they can stand there and earn their living easily, and like there'll be no risk for them there. And then there are some needs for the people that should be there on the roads, and like we have all decided together to fulfill them in like putting our efforts, showing our creativity in all these things. So first we go on like cleaning of the area. So when we just like we were observing the place, we saw like garbage all over there, and when we went to the food vendors, garbage was like all around the thela. So we were like shocked to see like there's no dustbin over there, so that it like people can throw the plates or the glasses in the dustbin. So we decided to make dustbin for the area so that like they can use them, as like the garbage when it's accumulated can cause diseases, and it is really harmful for stray animals, like they sometimes swallow the polythenes or something, and like many animals have also died, since we have covered in our story too. Next we go like how can we show our creativity. So seats for the people, it's really important, as whenever we go outside on the road, we see that people are waiting for the autos or the rickshaws. Like many children are waiting and many like young people are there. And the most difficult point is for the senior citizens. They can't stand there and wait like for the autos to come, and it's sometimes really hot. Like we have seen some cases, as I live near the place, so I've seen like many senior citizens fainting. So it was really like bad for me to see them this way. So we just decided to make seats and with tires, so we can reuse the tires, and we can make seats for them, for the senior citizens and for the people who are waiting there, and they can sit there and can easily wait, and they don't need to like their energy will be saved. Next, the road should have proper divisors and the railings. So as we see in this photo, like there's no railing over there. So like when it's night, any car or truck is passing and it's dark, so they can fall in that, and that's really risky and dangerous. It's like a life at risk, so it's really dangerous. We need to, whether like there should be a partition between them, a cemented partition, or whether they should be covered or a railing should be there, so that for the people to see that like there's a like gutter over there, so it can be easier for the people and their life will not be at risk. Next, the road should have proper dividers, and we have decided to put some plants on the required place. No one will break the plants and like just go and pass the road, because we have seen many accidents also in this way. Like one is coming from the road and the other is taking the U-turn and they crashed. So that's also very risky, and we can put dividers, like plants we can use to put as dividers, and it will be really good, and it will be like it will be good for the environment, and it will work as a divider there. Next, there are also many ways in which we can prevent the accidents, as we know that the construction work is going on, and since due to that, when it rains, the potholes are formed, which are causes of accidents sometimes, because some people don't know like the potholes are so deep, so they just take their vehicle in that, and they, whether like they have some accidents or their vehicle just falls down, so it's there, it's risky. And so that we can put boards near the potholes, so that will be easy for the people to see them. And because there are some people who are less educated and they're not well educated, that like there are some potholes and we don't have to go from there, so we can put some like signs or the boards that can be read by them, and they'll be careful with the thing, and this will save them. Next, making the zebra crossings, as we see people running the roads to cross them. We see many children also taking their life at stake and running the roads to cross them. So we can make zebra crossing, and as we know that children from we are learning about zebra crossing since we were like small kids, and we can make like this zebra, and that'll be catchy for the kids to like they'll just come there and see like they'll tell their elders that this is the zebra crossing, and we have to cross them, and they'll tell them that we have learned this in the class, and they will tell the elders, they are going to tell everyone how we have to do it. So it's really catchy for the kids, and also people will then get to know that we have to cross the roads very well instead of running and putting our lives on stake. Then the signboards, as we see people taking U-turn from anywhere they want and thinking that it's their road and like no one will stop them. And speed breakers, which is like really harmful, like when the vehicle is on really fast speed, and when the speed breaker is there and they don't know like the speed breaker is there or not, so they're not aware of it, so it like there are some accidents, and there are very like bad injuries on people, so it will be really risky for them. So like signboards can be installed to avoid the accidents. So there is no signboard on the road, so we can make signboards with the help of the papers and the like sticks and all we can put in there, and that'll be really helpful for the people. And thank you so much, and these are all the ideas that we have got, and we can use our creativity and we can show like how we can like save people's life, and they'll get like safety. It's main thing on the road which you think is of safety, how safer you are, how like is your life safe. So this, in these ways we can assure people that yes, you are safe, you're on the safe road, and please share suggestions and we would love to hear them.
Thank you, team people, for your ideas and the presentation. It was really wonderful. A couple of questions that I have for you. You suggested seats for people made out of tires. So do you have the tire material quite easily available on your location in the site?
Yeah, actually we have that.
Okay. And plant as dividers. So what are you really planning to do there? Are you going to bring real plants and put it across there? Or that is more like a proposal that you're putting for now?
For now, it can be used as a proposal, like the authorities make the dividers and plants can be just placed on them. I don't know if you've seen or anyone else has seen, but when you're going to Delhi or in a lot of places in Delhi, they use a lot of plants. I don't know where this place was, but on a bridge, the entire railing of the bridge is just covered with plants, and it's some of it is fake and some of it is real. So we can completely use that idea that the railing that is made by the authority, plants can be just placed on both the sides of it. So it makes the area look a little better, and plants are basically good for the environment. But for right now, we can also place big plants as dividers by till the time that authorities take action on this point.
Okay. And what are the things that you all are planning to do on the site for now? And I was really excited looking at that small patch where you said the water, which was a drain, has sort of extended and is like a complete wetland kind of a space. So do you all, and in the proposal section, I didn't see a mention of that at all. Any thoughts on what you all would like to do there or anywhere else also, like apart from putting in seats for people? And even when you're putting in seats for people, like in terms of organization of the layout, like you saw the first couple presentations in which they had made a layout locating where things are and identifying locations where putting this would be good. So is there some kind of exercise like that that you have done, or have you all first visited site to have a look at what all is happening there?
Yes, we just visited it.
Okay.
We did visit it, but we haven't created the layout as of right now.
Okay. So doing layout might help you in identifying where you can put things. Like there is, when you're walking through the street, we see one view, which is only of what is happening on one side and your immediate context. But when you have to do something on a street, you at times need to relate to what is happening on the other side of the pocket as well. Because only then, because your dividers, your zebra crossing, where you're putting it, may be connected to two things that you're doing on two sides of the road. So give a little thought to those ideas, like where you're doing what and how you're trying to represent. Like you had also written a point or shown that you will highlight the potholes that are there and show a danger sign over there.
Yeah.
How are you going to do that? Is a question that I have for you. How is it that you're going to really represent it there? How would it visually look? What would the materials be? Or how would it really work over there? Which area in your site are you going to do that? Okay, so these are few questions.
Okay.
The signboard one, it really depends from pit to pit. So if the pit is really deep, a pit that most of the people would avoid or should avoid, we will only place the signboards there. But if the pit is not that deep, we can let that go. But yes, the signboards will most only be for like the really deep pits, especially especially during rainy season. And we'll prefer giving the shopkeepers certain extra signboards too. So if by chance that this by chance, like during when it's dry, it's fine, but when it rains and the pits get filled with water, no one has no idea that whether this pit is deep or not. So the shopkeepers themselves can come over and just keep the signboard there that this one is deep, don't fall into it. So yeah, that's the main idea we have right now for the pits and the signboard.
Okay. Okay, great. Let us see what you all do on site, and I'm looking forward to seeing those pictures of what is happening when you all move there. And maybe make some sketches of that. Try ideating it from now onwards. How
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
going to make it and all? Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Vasaka, you may please start.
Okay, ma'am. Good evening, teachers. My name is Priya Shekhar, and I'm here to represent my team, Vasaka. And the area allotted to us was from Hero Showroom, Ash Institute, and we all went there with our team members and then observed many things like which we will show in our PPT, which we have prepared. So the topic, the street stall, that is, we can say, the roadside vendors, which are provided us as a blessing in disguise. This is a project initiative by Team Setu. Thanks for providing us this opportunity. So ma'am, this is the area map which we had prepared on the green board. and which shows that there is a Hero showroom in our area. And जैसे कि मैम ने हमें पहले भी इस बारे में बताया था मैम कि हमारी एरिया बाकी एरिया से डिफरेंट है, तो वो इस व्यू में डिफरेंट है कि हमारे एरिया में ये 3 रोड्स भी आ रही हैं जो साइड रोड्स हैं, और इसमें मतलब अगर हम कहें तो इसे गलियां बोल सकते हैं कि ये गलियां हैं, और ये इस तरीके से ये गलियां आ रही हैं जहाँ पर उसके आसपास में वेंडर्स की शॉप्स भी हैं, कुछ टी स्टॉल्स भी हैं, एंड उसके बराबर में एक लास्ट में रिलैक्सो शोरूम है, एंड ये गली है जहाँ पर ये साइड में वेंडर्स भी खड़े रहते हैं. Yes, ma'am. And this is LD Bhatt Hospital, which is government hospital, which is also covered in our area a little bit. And इसके पड़ोस में ही एक पार्क है मैम, चंद्रकांता पार्क, which is a very beautiful park, which is a very relaxing part of the all the tensions which a patient gets from the hospital. क्योंकि यहाँ पर रिलैक्स करना बहुत अच्छी एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है, क्योंकि जितनी भी हॉस्पिटल्स की वैन्स वगैरह भी हैं, बसेस हैं, या जो भी एम्बुलेंस है, वो भी अगर पार्क में मतलब जो ग्राउंड है वहाँ पर हॉस्पिटल का, वहाँ पर अगर पार्क होती हैं तो लोगों के पास वहाँ पर रिलैक्स करने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता है, वो स्पेस नहीं होता उनके पास, तो वो फिर पार्क को ही अपना मीडियम बनाते हैं, और जितने भी यहाँ वेंडर्स हैं उनकी हेल्प से उनका लाइक फूड भी उनको अवेलेबल हो जाता है, so they do not find any difficulty to manage. To explain this, I would like to present some lines, ma'am. कुछ लम्हे हैं मेहनत के, कुछ लम्हे हैं एक नए फसाने के, कुछ अनकही बातें हैं, कुछ दर्द सा भरी रातें हैं, ये गलियां ये चौबारे बहुत कुछ बतलाते हैं, कभी इंसानियत का पाठ पढ़ाएं, कभी जिंदगी के नए फलसफे सिखलाएं, कभी 2 रोटी कमाने का जुनून है, बस इसी में जिंदगी का सुकून है. मैम, these are the checklist, these are the points for the street जो हम चाहते हैं कि वहाँ पर हों हमारे लिए भी, because Kashipur is our city, and for the vendors also, for the people who are crossing that lane also, like speed breakers, वो बहुत necessary है, क्योंकि though it is a highway road and rush बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है वहाँ पर, तो speed breakers are a must. And road safety convex mirrors, because मैम वहाँ पर गलियाँ इतनी हैं 2-3 जिसमें टर्न्स लेते वक्त सच में पता नहीं चल पाता है कि लाइक कौन सी गाड़ी इस तरफ से आ जाएगी, तो उसके लिए, और एम्बुलेंस में भी बहुत दिक्कतें होती हैं इस वजह से कि वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक इतना हो जाता है कि नहीं पता चल पाता है कि लाइक दूसरी साइड से कौन आ रहा है, तो उसके लिए रोड सेफ्टी कॉन्वेक्स मिरर्स आर मस्ट. एंड बेंचेस विद शेड इन द पार्क, बिकॉज पार्क में बेंचेस हैं अवेलेबल हैं, बट फॉर द पेशेंट्स या फिर जो उनके साथ उनके मेंबर्स हैं, फैमिली मेंबर्स जो वहाँ पे टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए बेंचेस शेड के साथ बहुत नेसेसरी हैं. देन पेडेस्ट्रियन लाइन ऑन बोथ द साइड्स ऑफ द रोडवेज, बिकॉज क्योंकि हाईवे रोड है तो वहाँ पर चलने के लिए मैम कोई भी ऐसा एरिया नहीं है प्रॉपर जहाँ पर फ्रीली चल सके. और दूसरी बात, यूज ऑफ ट्रैफिक साइंस एंड सिंबल्स, बिकॉज हम वहाँ पर ट्रैफिक साइंस और सिंबल्स होंगे, लाइक साइन बोर्ड वगैरह होंगे, तो लोगों को प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी टू स्टॉप, टू रेडी टू गो एंड टू मूव, सो इट इज वेरी नेसेसरी. देन प्रॉपर पार्किंग ऑफ द व्हीकल्स, बिकॉज वहाँ पर हमने भी गए थे, हमने भी ऑब्जर्व किया लाइक हीरो शोरूम के सामने या फिर गलियों में कहीं भी व्हीकल्स कैसे भी लगा दिया, टेढ़ा करके खड़ा कर दिया, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन और अंदर चले गए शोरूम में, लेकिन जो बाहर लोग हैं, निकल रहे हैं, गाड़ी चल रही हैं, उनको बहुत दिक्कत होती है. तो उसके लिए प्रॉपर पार्किंग की अगर फैसिलिटी अवेलेबल हो, देन इट वुड बी अ ग्रेट हेल्प. एंड डस्टबिन इंस्टॉल्ड फॉर द वेस्ट, particularly for organic and inorganic waste separately, because dustbin वहाँ पर है एक, but it is not used, so people must be उनको हम aware कर सकते हैं, they must be aware that to use that dustbin. And likewise organic waste के लिए भी और inorganic waste के लिए भी separately, to make them aware. And civil amenities like light, running water, public toilets, drainage प्रॉपरली अवेलेबल वहाँ पर होना बहुत जरूरी है, क्योंकि मैम लाइट्स हैं पर कभी कभार ऐसा होता है कि हाईवे रोड है, वो एकदम से लाइट्स कभी खराब हो गई या कुछ और प्रॉब्लम्स आ गई तो वो नहीं वर्क कर पाती हैं. लाइक और रनिंग वाटर मतलब वहाँ पर जो सीवेज है, ड्रेनेज है, और जो वो भी चौक रह जाता है कभी कभी, तो उसकी वजह से भी दिक्कतें आती हैं। वो बहुत वाइड साइज के हैं, वाइडर साइज के हैं। देन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर की वहां पर प्रॉपर फैसिलिटी नहीं है, पब्लिक टॉयलेट नहीं है, क्योंकि वेंडर्स को उससे भी बहुत दिक्कत होती है। ये हमारे ही इन्वायरमेंट के लिए बहुत अनहाइजीनिक भी है एक तरह से। तो इसको भी हमें कोप अप करने के लिए स्टेप्स लेने चाहिए, and to and should encourage the people. And this is a diagrammatic view of our area, and the things we want, like this convex mirror in the Polytechnic Road, on the Polytechnic Road, which will help the people to cross the road safely, and a hand pump for safe drinking water, and a shed and a bench so that people can sit and wait, and a pedestrian lane. Then we must have signboard like धीरे चलो, या क्योंकि heavy rush area है, and हॉस्पिटल है आगे, तो इस तरीके से साइन बोर्ड हम पर्टिकुलरली वहां पर इसको दिखा सकते हैं. एंड दिस जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग we can make it colorful, or we can use tissue papers, or not particularly tissue papers but toilet papers. And then to empower our street and street vendors, there are following suggestions. That is to give vendors legal status by issuing license. क्योंकि मैम उनके पास लाइसेंस होगा तो उनके पास एक प्रॉपर पर्टिकुलर अपना एरिया हो जाएगा कि हमें यहीं पर स्टॉल ही लगाना है अपना, और उनके पास पर्टिकुलर हॉकिंग जोन होगा, so that the people cannot remove them, और कोई उनको आके ऐसा ब्लेम नहीं कर सकता कि आप इस एरिया पे लीगली नहीं खड़े हो. So and protect and expand vendors existing livelihood, जिसकी वजह से ये सब चीजें उनके पास लाइसेंस वगैरह होगा तो उनके पास उनका जो लाइवलीहुड अर्न करने का एक मीडियम है वो प्रोटेक्टेड रहेगा. एंड प्रमोट एंड डेवलपिंग नेचुरल मार्केट सिस्टम, जिसकी वजह से जो हमारा जो नेचुरल मार्केट सिस्टम है वो अच्छे से वर्क करेगा उस चीज में. एंड इंक्लूडिंग वेंडर्स इन टाउन एंड सिटी मास्टर प्लान, बिकॉज सोचा जाता है कि नहीं ये मतलब पार्ट नहीं है, या मतलब किसी भी तरीके से अगर उन्हें बैकवर्ड में देखा जाता है तो उस चीज को हम अवॉइड कर सकें, उस थिंकिंग को हम अपने माइंड से निकाल सकें. एंड issuing guidelines for supportive services and social security at local areas. Guidelines and supportive services जो उनको चाहिए, जैसे कि public toilet, proper lighting facilities, shed and proper hawking area to install their stalls, and promoting self governance among hawkers. और इन सब की वजह से मैम अगर उनके पास ये proper facilities होंगी, उनके पास ये ideas होंगे कि हमें किस तरीके से मैनेज करना है, तो वो अपने लिए खुद उस चीज को मैनेज करना उनके लिए इजी हो जाएगा. एंड देन प्रोवाइडिंग स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स विद सिविक amenities, that is all we know, like street lights, public and vending zones should be hygienic, attractive and safe. इससे उनकी लाइवलीहुड अर्न करने में भी उनको बहुत अच्छा एक मीडियम मिल जाएगा अगर उनका अट्रैक्टिव और सेफ होगा. Every street has an interesting life of its own and is enjoyed by the people who live there. This is a time-lapse video which shows the movement of heavy rush on the street at night. मैम इस वीडियो से बिल्कुल ये क्लियर हुआ अभी कि मतलब ट्रैफिक लाइट्स और जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग की कितनी नीड है वहां पर, क्योंकि for pedestrians it is very difficult to cross that road, that two-way road. So it shows that. So as a conclusion, we got mixed responses. Some were indifferent towards our work, and some others took a minute to appreciate our efforts and blessed us. Overall, we were happy with our efforts and felt as if we are a team working on some mission. This observation made us realize how street vendors have their own ecosystem for work, food, and to support each other. Amidst the hustle and bustle in the city life, the smile on the face was a treat to watch. It was a learning experience for all of us. Thank you for your opportunity. No matter how big or small, every contribution to make the world a better place counts tremendously. And the story comes of a high-spirited man named Mr. Ramashankar from Kashipur. और ये एक ठेले वाले अंकल हैं जिनका राजमा चावल छोले भटूरे एंड आलू पूरी का ठेला है, और इनकी स्टोरी भी बहुत एनकरेजिंग है और बहुत मोटिवेशनल है, जिससे हमें मोटिवेशन मिलेगा. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी. Ma'am, this was a video in which the uncle tells us that he do not have much expectations from the road, though he is standing there with his stall since 15 to 20 years. But then also, like a normal person, he do not have much expectations from the road, but he is very fond to stand there with his stall, क्योंकि उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि यहाँ इससे मेरा घर चलता है, इस रोड से मेरा ही घर चलता है, क्योंकि यहाँ पर लोग, मेरे पास हर तरह का आदमी आता है. मुझे कभी भी ऐसा फील नहीं हुआ कि सिर्फ ऐसे लोग आते हैं या सिर्फ वैसे लोग आते हैं. मेरे पास हर तरह का आदमी आता है और सब मुझे बहुत सम्मान देते हैं, बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं मेरे वर्क के लिए, मेरे फूड के लिए. तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, मैं यहाँ पे हूँ. उनकी स्माइल से हम ये चीज नोटिस कर सकते हैं मैम कि वो कितना सेटिस्फाइड हैं, यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं, इस रोड पर अपना ठेला लगाते हैं. एंड सो दिस इज अ शॉर्ट मूवी ऑन द स्ट्रीट स्टॉल.
Is it audible?
Yes.
शहर काशीपुर, हमारा शहर की हर बात डाली है. वो चिड़िया का चहचहाना, वो बेमौसम बरसात, वो बच्चे का स्कूल की बस पकड़ना या वो कॉलेज की, वो रोड साइड चाय की टपरी, वो चौराहे की गपशप, बहुत कुछ सब याद आता है. पर इस दौड़ भाग की जिंदगी, जहाँ हर कोई किसी बड़ी सी बिल्डिंग के एक शानदार एसी सब व्यतीत करना, वही ये लोग दिल मिलाती धूप को ये सब छुपाती इस सड़क किनारे खड़ा देखते. इन तिराहों चौराहों पे जिंदगी के मायने गोल गोल घूमते रहते हैं. कोई पकड़ लेता है तो कोई खाली हाथ लौट जाता है. शहर थोड़ा मोटी है, हर किसी का छोटा भी. बात थोड़ी गहरी है, कोई समझ जाए तो ठीक, ना समझे तो हमारे पहले कदम से लेकर आखिरी कदम तक तय की गई दूरी की जिंदगी के बराबर. शायद इसीलिए जिंदगी चल पाई. ये कहानियां भटक कर संभल कर दोबारा भटकने के दौरान तय की गई दूरियां. हमारा देश असमर्थताओं से संभावनाओं से घिरा हुआ है. हर दीवार में द्वार बन सकता है और हर द्वार से पूरा का पूरा पहाड़ गुजर सकता है.
This was the one, right?
So these are the happy clips, ma'am, which we have observed in the Chandrakanta Park, on the road, in the Hero Honda showroom with the manager, and this Chele Wale uncle, and the tea stall. That's all, ma'am. Our sincere thanks to Team Ketu, and this video is presented by Team Basaka. Thank you, everyone.
So thank you, Team Basaka. There, whatever you're showing is a good documentation of what is happening on the street, and also at a proposal level, at an idea level, what should be done. However, one thing which I'm still unclear about after seeing this whole thing is, what is it that you're doing on the street right now to show it to people? And there was one point which you mentioned, which was quite catching for me, was this point that you said that डस्टबिन है पर लोग डस्टबिन में डाल नहीं रहे कचरा. And around that, then you said we'll try to create awareness. But the question is also about accessibility sometimes. वो डस्टबिन कहाँ पे रखी है, वहाँ पे ऐसा क्या है कि लोग वहाँ पे नहीं जा रहे हैं? Is it like because it is smelling? Is it because आजू बाजू बहुत कचरा पड़ा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये थोड़ा सवाल आप पूछो और वो जगह पे फिर से जाओ कि वो डस्टबिन के पास हो क्या रहा है जिसकी वजह से लोग अंदर डाल नहीं रहे. मुझे लगता है आजकल सब लोगों को पता है कि कचरा डस्टबिन में डालना चाहिए, तो अवेयरनेस का शायद प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा इतना, या अवेयरनेस के साथ और कुछ भी इशू होगा वहां पे जिसकी वजह से लोग डस्टबिन में नहीं डाल रहे कचरा, क्या हो रहा है वहां पे, ये एक चीज आप लोग पता करो।
यस मैम, अवेयरनेस नहीं है लोगों को, और एक तो वो थोड़ा शेडी प्लेस में है तो वहाँ पे लोगों को दिखता नहीं है वो जो डस्टबिन है। हमने भी उसको बहुत बाद में ऑब्जर्व किया कि यहाँ पे डस्टबिन है। पहले हमने अपने पॉइंट आउट लिस्ट बनाई थी जिसमें हमने डस्टबिन को भी ऐड किया था, बट नेक्स्ट टाइम जब हम गए तो हमने कहा डस्टबिन तो ऑलरेडी है बट लोग उसको देख नहीं रहे और यूज भी नहीं कर रहे हैं।
तो ऐसा कुछ कर सकते हो तुम कि डस्टबिन दिखे ज्यादा लोगों को।
हाँ यस मैम, उसको हम ऐसी प्लेस में प्लेस करवा सकते हैं कि जहाँ पे वो और विजिबल हो, जहाँ पे लोगों की उस पे डायरेक्टली पड़े। और मैम
मे भी वो
एक्चुअली
कर
जहाँ पे
सकते हो, और अगर लोकेशन चेंज नहीं कर सकते हो तो भी तुम कुछ चीजें कर सकते हो जिससे तुम उसका ध्यान बढ़ा सकते हो,
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am, we can
डस्टबिन
use
चेंज
arrows.
कराना मुश्किल है।
We can use arrows on the road. That dustbin this way. या फिर use me. Like a dustbin is saying, I am here, please use me. तो इस तरीके से हम arrows use कर सकते हैं, colorful fronts.
हाँ वो कर सकते हो। और प्रपोजल्स में और क्या कर सकते हो तुम लोग।
और मैम ये पार्क के बाहर पिलर्स हैं कुछ छोटे छोटे, उस पे हम ड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं कुछ लाइक स्लोगन, कुछ एनवायरनमेंट से रिलेटेड और कुछ सेफ्टी से रिलेटेड, कुछ हाइजीन से रिलेटेड। हम उस पे स्लोगन लिखना चाहते हैं, कुछ ड्रॉ करना चाहते हैं उन पिलर्स पर।
वो पिलर्स आपके अंदर के रोड पे है या वो मेन रोड पे है। जो आपने पार्क दिखाया वो शायद वो वन ऑफ द लेन्स में था ना, एक गली में था ना।
नहीं नहीं मैम, पार्क तो रोड पर ही है, मेन रोड पर है, और उसके
मेन रोड
पिलर्स
पर
भी
ही
रोड
है।
पर ही है। यस मैम,
ओके,
तो विजिबल है वहां से रोड से।
ठीक है, तो वो भी अच्छी आइडिया है। और ठेले वाले जहाँ पे है वहां पे क्या करना चाहते हो। उसके पीछे शायद पार्क ही है, जो फोटो थी उससे तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि
यस मैम,
4
यस
ठेले।
मैम।
हाँ, तो उनके लिए कुछ कर रहे हो तुम।
Ma'am, we thought that there should be a separate area for the vendors, fly their glass, because we are facing the problems of
मैम जहाँ पर ठेले वाले हैं वहाँ पे एक डायसेक्शन जा रहा है, रोड है वहाँ पे, बीच में से गली आ रही है, तो वहाँ पर जेब्रा क्रॉसिंग नहीं है लोगों के जाने के लिए, और ना ही स्पीड ब्रेकर्स हैं। तो मैम वहाँ पे हम स्पीड ब्रेकर्स का एक प्रपोजल देना चाहते हैं। ऊपर से वहाँ पर एक ऐसे रोड है कि जहाँ पे नेक्स्ट अगर सामने से कोई गाड़ी आ रही है तो उसको दिखाई नहीं देगा, तो उसके लिए हम कॉनकेव मिरर वहाँ पे लगाना चाहते हैं। मतलब इस तरीके से।
हाँ
Yes,
वो
ma'am.
प्रपोजल लेवल पे है, पर तुम साइट पे कुछ कर सकते हो ताकि तुम वो डाल के लोगों को पूछ सको यहाँ पे
Yes.
ये ऐसा रहा तो उसके लिए कुछ आइडिया है तुम्हारे पास, क्या करोगे तुम अभी दिखाने के लिए।
यस मैम, हम वहाँ पे एक अपने कॉलेज से ऐसे उसका बोर्ड बना सकते हैं वहाँ पे गत्ते का, और बाकी हम रोड पे स्पीड ब्रेकर्स के लिए कुछ कर सकते हैं, पेंट कर सकते हैं वहाँ पे, या फिर जैसे उस दिन स्लाइड्स में हमने देखा चाहते हैं उसी टाइप का हम कुछ आइडिया वहाँ पे लगा सकते हैं। बाकी साइन बोर्ड्स तो हैं ही। एंड
मैम वॉल पेंटिंग कर सकते हैं छोटी छोटी क्रिएटिव बनाने के लिए। वेंडर्स को भी हेल्प मिलेगी क्योंकि उनके अगर पीछे के कुछ पिलर्स पे हम लाइक फूड से रिलेटेड कुछ ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग क्रिएटिव चीज ड्रॉ करेंगे, पेंट करेंगे, तो अट्रैक्ट भी होंगे लोग वहाँ पर, और इससे उनकी अर्निंग पे भी फर्क पड़ेगा, उनको भी हेल्प सपोर्ट होगा।
ओके, ठीक है। तुम लोग ये सब इमेजेस वगैरह कलेक्ट करो कि तुम क्या कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, इसके ऊपर थोड़ा थॉट दो, और एग्जैक्टली एग्जीक्यूट कैसे हो रहा है वो पार्ट नहीं था। और इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो पूरा लेआउट, लाइक इनिशियल कुछ 2 टीम्स ने ये दिखाया था जो प्लान था, नहीं तुमने ये लेआउट तो दिखाया है कि तुम्हारा कहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, बट तुम जो एक्टिविटीज प्लान कर रहे हो उसकी लोकेशन उसके ऊपर भी थोड़ा सा मार्क करके कि अगर यहाँ पे मैं क्रॉसिंग कर रहा हूँ तो मेरा रोड क्रॉसिंग कहाँ पे होगा, वो सब थोड़ा सा उस पे भी देखो प्रपोजल वाइज। कनेक्शन कैसे होगा, इधर से उधर इंसान कैसे जाएगा, अगर तुम बता रहे हो फिर ये साइड भी तुम कुछ रख रहे हो, वो साइड भी कुछ रख रहे हो क्या लोगों के लिए। बाकी ओके,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Yeah.
So I think we are done with all groups here, and we can move back into the leave the room, and we get back into.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in
Yes.
what format we have to present our proposals?
We'll update you on that. The coordinator
Okay.
will let you know about it.
Okay. Like the one we are going to on street will be in the form of art. We are going that on the site itself. Just want to know ki in what format we are going to present our proposals.
Pankaj sir, any thoughts that you have
Yeah.
which you would like to share?
So while we have a lot of scope for presentation, we have a lot. So we could use any kind of prop which is available. Which is your area? Could you kind of relate to your space?
So that's from Guru Kripa shop till the seeds shop.
Okay, Guru Kripa shop till the seed shop. So now, yeah. So we have. I think we've got the Chima crossing in between. I think that's
Yes,
what
sir,
we are
yes,
talking
sir.
about. So yes, we could have. We could be basically giving you a certain line marking, wherein we could give you the road in the center, and then you could have side road in which you could have your cycle track.
Yes, sir.
and
Actually,
your
that
walking
will be for the art one. No? I was asking that the proposals we are proposing for the authorities. One part is of the proposals, ना वो हमें किस format में present करना है?
जो आपने भेजना है, तो जो आपने देना है.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes,
आप
sir.
उसके बारे में अपने एरिया और लोकेशन के बारे में you can
Yes, sir.
a small little 5-point proposal. Let's take it as a 5-point proposal in just simple 5 points. What are the 5 major things or 4 major things? Let it be simple so that one of your proposals is accepted, so it becomes a very great achievement for us.
Yes,
That your acceptance that is accepted, and people have understood the value of the students' observation. So that becomes
absolutely, sir.
So even if it's 4 or 5 points which you say, okay, these 4 or 5 points, if we just give them as maybe a Word document also, or maybe a letter to them, you could share it with us so that we could propose that further, or we could consolidate it, and we could obviously mention where who all have proposed it. There are more than one, and we could kind of put them across as 5 most prominent things that can be worked out, considering what we are already in, because I'm sure they wouldn't have the kind of finances to kind of consider that being about 41.5% of the total population, we are a substantial stakeholder in itself. That is the age group of 18 and below. So we are 41.5% all over India. So obviously the same ratio would kind of pertain out here. So yes, what is it that the student wants? What is it that the child wants? What is it that should be available? Because the child below 18 specifically is not going to have a conveyance, but would have a cycle, or could walk, or could run on those spaces which are community spaces where they can walk, or where they can move from one place to the other. So it's not that you need to be ferried by your parents or your guardians for every movement. Suppose you want to go to the stadium to play a game. Would it be easy for you to walk, or would it be easier if you had a bike? So if it was a bike, that means a motorcycle. Do you have space for yourself? Things like that. So these are some of the very important things which you feel would be the most prominent, most apt kind of changes you would like, or maybe the implementations. I mean, we can't expect them to make large changes which might require financial change, which would have financial implications. But on the other hand, if there are just certain things which we can make them put their mind to, and that is in case if there can be some modifications done in the way the movement is, or the where, considering like you had, I think, talked about how that girl who you wanted to make her feel that she's got a house there. Is that right? I think. So how would you like to express that, and in which way? So these kind of things, if you feel that that is what could give the essence of that place, you have to understand who lives there, who uses that place, and how would they feel about it. So how would you like to represent it? Just in 5 points. I think that would be very apt, and let it be short. I might have expressed it in a very long way.
Thank you.
Just that, yeah. 5 points, yeah. Obviously mentioning the location. Obviously,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Anybody else? So, Sonal, how do we, what do you think they should, if you could give them some ideas about suggestions about what they can use as to kind of project that space? Because obviously, I'm quite sure these people would be at large in terms of with this kind of space. Everybody works with small rooms or small spaces within their design ideas. But when it comes to something so large, you have about 50 meters of space or 70 meters of space. How do you suggest these students could kind of, what kind of props they could use? What could they use as props? What could they use as to share their ideas? What could they possibly use? So maybe, and what could be most significant? What could be most prominent in terms of how they'd like to, how they could kind of share their ideas to the general public? Because they were the general public would be walking there. We got the place barricaded for about 4 hours on that particular day. So what could be the possible ways in which to do it? I think we'll get into the main room now. I think we can discuss the whole thing there, yeah.
We are all in the main room now.
I think most of the participants kind of, I think they feel it's over. And, but then again, whoever's there, yeah. So, Aruna, you're here now?
Yeah.
So, I was just asking Sonal to kind of give them a slight idea in terms of, see, they've got a lot of ideas here. They've got some things which they've got on paper, and a lot of things that they'd like to portray.
I can't hear. I think Pankaj, yeah, got it.
There are a lot of things there are a lot of things that they could kind of want to represent in their, like their thoughts. So what do you think, I mean, what could be a suggestion for them in terms of what kind of props, or what should be the readily available materials, or anything else you feel which could be handy for them to kind of present their views to the people on the streets? How would they kind of, what do you think should they be looking at in terms of available material resources on the streets, or anything else you think which could be possibly used?
One of the easiest things to use is to get your general chalk as basic chalk. I think all the schools have chalk, and you can get colored chalks, but you'll have to get a little bit more. And अगर हमारे पास चूना मिल सकता है तो that tuna is also a very, it's not expensive. Colored चूने का बैग, चीजें मार्क करने के लिए, ये हम लोग अपना जब when we used to do स्पोर्ट्स इन द फील्ड, हम लोग अपना रेस की लाइन मार्क कर देते थे, कुछ ऐसे ड्रॉ कर देते थे. So things like that. Ropes, colored ropes, simply boxes, cartons, just to say some idea. ये यहाँ पे है. Also जो इनके proposals हैं, ये लोग अपने proposals को कुछ तरीके से प्रिंट करके अपने अपने उस पे A3 साइज पे प्रिंट कर सकते हैं. No need to print those big sheets. अगर बड़ी किसी के पास है प्रिंट करने की क्षमता, तो वो बड़ी भी प्रिंट कर लें. इनके जो अभी क्या है, इन्होंने प्लान्स बना दिए हैं, इन्होंने कुछ आइडियाज भी दिया है. वो कुछ उस पे हम लोग फीडबैक की तरह से we can have that day people are giving feedback, so that thing can also happen and they can have it printed for their section to show. So this is also very important, and of course people can be recorded doing all this. Very important, हर एक टीम का स्ट्रेच है, उनके पास कोई शॉप ओनर्स है, उधर उनके किसी का हॉस्पिटल है, किसी के उधर कुछ है. जैसे एक टीम के मार्बल वाले थे, वो उनको बोला था कि उस टीम वालों को दे कैन दे मस्ट टॉक, वो लोग उधर ही बात करके दे कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि वहां का वेस्ट दे दें वो, so that waste can be used also. So these are some suggestions from our end, at least from my end, that they can use. जो स्ट्रेच में जो स्टेक होल्डर्स हैं, उन लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करते हुए उन्हीं के वेस्ट को हम प्रॉप्स की तरह यूज कर लें. Hello.
Yes.
Am
Yes.
I? Hello.
Yeah, you're audible. Thinking.
No. अच्छा, I'm on the phone this time ना, तो मेरे को सब लोग नहीं नजर आते हैं, तो वो हो जाता है.
एंड वेंडर्स का वेस्ट ही जरूरी नहीं है. वेंडर्स उनकी जो चीजें यूज कर रहे हैं, लाइक उनके पास अगर कुछ चेयर्स है जो उन्होंने रखी है फॉर पीपल टू कम, मे बी टॉकिंग विद देम इफ यू वांट टू रीऑर्गेनाइज देम इन सम वे एंड दे आर आल्सो ओपन टू इट, you can go and do that with them, thinking of certain things on the street, talking to them about it. So whatever they are using on the street are also your materials apart from everything else that मैम शेड. उनका वेस्ट तो तुम ले ही सकते हो, पर जो वो यूज कर रहे हैं, या 2 स्टॉल्स है तो दूर है, आपको ऐसे लगा कि एक चाय वाला है और एक कोई और टाइप के खाने वाला है, दोनों को साथ में रखना है वेंडर्स को, तो फिर लोगों को आसान हो जाएगा. तो दोनों वेंडर्स को पूछो कि आप लोग को यहाँ पे पोजीशन दिया तो चलेगा क्या आपको, आप लोग सब साथ में रहोगे क्या. सो यू कैन मेक दीज माइनर अरेंजमेंट्स देयर. Maybe when you're seeing someone park their two-wheeler on the street, you can just request them maybe कि ये यहाँ के बदले यहाँ लगा दोगे, हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, हमको help हो जाएगी. So everything which is there on the street is your basic material to start with.
And उसके ऊपर से every team, if they think they can get अगर आपके खुद के can get you some paint material or something, if you think you want to get, you can get. That would be from your end. Also अभी तक मैंने proposals में आपका क्या artwork होगा, that needs to be submitted by each team. मतलब कि वो थोड़ी detailing आपको परसों तक देनी है, so that one has an idea कि आप ये कर रहे हैं और हम उसके बारे में सोच सके कि इसको कैसे हम showcase करें. आपके साथ आपके ही जगह पे आपका ही आइडिया कैसे शोकेस करना है, इसके लिए भी वी वुड लाइक टू हेल्प यू. तो वो आपको परसों तक तो सबमिट करना ही पड़ेगा.
Ma'am, like we have to like just tell detail like what we have finalized to do on the street.
अब आप वर्बल नहीं बोलेंगे. There are some of you people have got beautiful ideas जिसके बारे में आप बात कर रहे हैं. आप उसको स्केच बनाइए, उसको आर्ट वर्क क्या होने वाला है, आप थोड़ा सा फोटोग्राफ के ऊपर मार्क कर दीजिए, यहाँ पे हम ये सोच रहे हैं। कुछ इसको तरीके से आपने थोड़ा उसको फर्म तरीके से दिखाना है।
सो लाइक हमें डायग्रामेटिकली दिखाना है, हमें जाके रास्ते में करके फिर उसकी फोटो खींच के नहीं दिखाना है।
नहीं, करके नहीं दिखाना है, आप फोटोग्राफ के ऊपर ही, इफ यू टेक अ फोटोग्राफ और आप अगर उसके ऊपर ही फोटोग्राफ के ऊपर ही सोनल, यू हैव टू हेल्प मी विद द सॉफ्टवेयर व्हिच इज अ सिंपली सॉफ्टवेयर। अभी फोटोग्राफ के ऊपर आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो, आप हम फोन पे भी करते हैं ना, कभी कभी हम हैप्पी बर्थडे लिख देते हैं, या हम एक इमेज के ऊपर दूसरा इमेज, हम आपने कुछ आइडिया बनाया है आर्ट वर्क का, तो आप फोटोग्राफ ले लीजिए जो साइट का है, और जहां पे वो आर्ट वर्क आने वाला है आप उधर प्लेस कर दीजिए। You know, you can do that, Sonal. Yes, ये हमारे
I mean, इसके लिए तो आप अपने फोन पे भी एडिट कर सकते हो। ऑटोडेस्क स्केचबुक करके एक ऐप आता है जो तुम एंड्रॉइड फोन्स में भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, एंड यू कैन राइट ऑन इट, यू कैन ड्रॉ ऑन इट।
Yes.
वो कर सकते हो। और अगर वो फोटो बहुत छोटा है, उस पे तुम क्या लिख रहे हो वो समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो तुम एक फोटो में सिर्फ वो लोकेशन मार्क करो कि यहाँ पे हम कुछ कर रहे हैं, साइनेज आ रहा है, और फिर दूसरे पेपर में तुम ये स्केच कर लो मे बी कि ये साइनेज में मैं क्या दिखा रहा हूँ या क्या दिखा रही हूँ, या क्या कलर्स होंगे उस पे, वो रीडेबल होगा उसके लिए मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, वो अट्रैक्टिव होगा उसके लिए मैं क्या कर रही हूँ। ये चीजों के बारे में सोचो, क्योंकि आप लोग सब लोग बोल रहे हैं हम साइनेज बनाएंगे, ये करेंगे, या फिर रास्तों पे आप बोल रहे हो डिवाइडर्स जहाँ होने चाहिए या क्रॉसिंग जहाँ होने चाहिए वहां पे हम लोग टिश्यू पेपर या टॉयलेट पेपर रोल लगाएंगे, पर वो रहेंगे वहां पे, वो हवा से उड़ जाएंगे क्या, कितनी देर में आपको उसको फिर से लगाना पड़ेगा। ये चीजें भी आप थोड़ी थोड़ी सोचो कि आप जो करोगे उसमें आप कैसे करोगे और वो कैसे दिखेगा, कितने दूर से देखेंगे लोग। और जब आप चीजें साइट पे बनाते हो तो ये भी जरा सोचो कि जब इंसान चल रहा होता है वहां पे कौन से ऐसे पॉइंट्स हैं जो ज्यादा इजीली दिख जाएंगे उनको, क्योंकि आप लोग इतनी मेहनत करके चीजें बना रहे हो, वो लोगों को दिखनी भी तो चाहिए। कहाँ से कोई ऐसा पॉइंट है जहां से 10 जगहों से लोगों को ये आसानी से दिखता है, या कोई जगह ऐसी है जहां पे नहीं दिखता है, तो मैं यहाँ लगा के मतलब है या नहीं है, ये चीजें सोचो आप साइट पे जाके और वो फोटोज लेके।
मतलब सारी टीम्स को आज के बाद बोला है कि कल के दिन आपने जरूरी वापस जाना है, आपने जो सोचा है सोल्यूशन उसके बारे में लोगों से भी बात करनी है, आपने अपनी जगह को थोड़ा डीपली देखना है, उस जगह पे आपने जो सोच रखा है, आपके आइडियाज आपने आज डिस्कस करे हैं, उसको कैसे अगर हम करते हैं तो उसको किस तरीके से हम करें। मैंने आपको यही बोला था कि हम सब कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे, हम कुछ कुछ करेंगे जिससे हमारा जो आइडिया है वो अच्छे से निकल के शोकेस हो जाए, क्योंकि अभी हम सारा कुछ नहीं कर पाएंगे। हम सिर्फ लोगों को 2-3 आइडिया से 3-4 आइडिया से हम ये बताएंगे कि हमने पूरा बड़ा आइडिया क्या है उसका थोड़ा सा सैंपल दिखाएंगे हम करके। हम सारा, आप लोगों ने बहुत डिटेल में बहुत बढ़िया से बहुत कुछ सोचा है, बट उसका छोटा छोटा पार्ट हम जो जिससे जो चल रहा है रास्ते में जो देखे उसको कहे हाँ वाह ऐसे कुछ होगा तो कितना बढ़िया होगा। दैट्स द प्लान। क्वेश्चंस? टीम्स को क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं?
No, ma'am.
I think they're all quite set, and I think they've got very many ideas, which I think they maybe now don't want to discuss it. They want to show it there. I don't know. Maybe that excitement is there. So good. Should we try and wrap it up now today?
Yes.
I think we should wrap it up now. Yeah. Okay. Pali, over to you.
On behalf of Setu, I would like to express my gratitude to our distinguished resource person, guests and eminent speakers who have spared their time to enlighten and guide us in our effort. That is Setu 2021, Sustainable Cities and Development. Henceforth, Streets for Me is going to take off officially. We look forward to the guidance of our eminent resource person during this year's event. Now, with that, we come to the end of today's presentation. Good evening and thank you, everyone.
Thank you. We enjoyed it. Fabulous. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much, everyone.